What's up, YouTube? This 2021 CRF250R is completely finished up. I finally have some good close-up clips of this thing, just showcasing everything right from the triples, the swing arm, our billet hubs, the exhaust being widened out, all that good stuff. Follow along, watch those clips, and then at the end of the video, we're gonna actually take this thing for a rip. Keep in mind, this is a brand new bike, so we're not spinning the tire. We're just ripping it through the gears, doing mechanical check over, making sure it's all good to go, and then this thing is shipping out to our customer. Check it out, guys.
Runs good. How's it steer?
Great. Trying not to spin because they're brand new tires. I don't want to mess them up.
Very cool. So you guys did a good job. Sweet.
Thing's awesome. No helmet law in Arizona. No reason for moving here. So anyone that wants to cry about helmets, it is what it is. What do you think, Drew?
What you said?
Okay.
Sure.
Alright, let's go spin the tires.
Okay, can I over pit that first? Sweet. Hold on to these. Awesome.
It's actually, honestly, more fun than I thought it would be being a 250. Yeah, it's not bad, man.
Perfect trail bike. It's light too. Like really light.
Electric start. Got the exhaust widened out. Should clear pretty decent. Yeah, this thing's sweet.
Oh man, I love these pits. Got to try the big wheel in our pit vipers. It's a good day.
Yeah, that's awesome, dude.
Yeah, this thing's great.
It's all your fault. You wanted to make big wheels, so here they are.
Yeah,
Get that, right?
yeah. I never thought big wheels would bring me here. Here we are.
Arizona.
Arizona.
Well, there you have it, guys. That's about all the aggressive riding I'm going to do on a customer's bike. We just wanted to make sure these things are mechanically sound. We checked the brakes. We ride them a little bit, do a bolt check, all that fun stuff. We also did some heat cycles before riding the bike. It is a brand new bike. It's 2021. So, yeah, guys, this thing rips. Definitely anybody that thinks the 250 is slow, it's actually pretty fast for what it is. So just remember, it is a 250, but even having those big tires, it's really not too bad. So check out bvcbigwheels.com. You can go to bvcoffroad.com. You can give us a call, 518-563-3699. This beautiful lady right here is going to be answering the phone, answering all your questions, because I don't have time. I'm busy making parts. Thanks for the support, guys.